Hello everyone, today we have a new toy to test, the WYBOT C1 Pro. We are going to dive in and show you all how it works and if it works in my pool. After 3 days of waiting, it finally arrived. Let's see what's in the box. The floating system to click onto the vacuum cleaner, the charger, the hook to lift it out of the water with your stick, and the robot vacuum cleaner. It really is a beautiful device. Here you see a turning knob that is waterproof to charge it. Large brushes that rotate and scrub the floor or wall, and here you see the suction part to the filter. Well, let's look at the filter. It's quite big and fits nicely in the machine. Okay, the description says we have to charge it completely before first use. Nice, it works. With 3 lights, it is full and ready to go. I charged the GoPro again to be able to follow everything well underwater. It's not sunny today, but very warm. I think I'll go swimming with it. Nothing happens. Did I do something wrong? Oh no, it works. Okay, let's dive in. It seems like a powerful machine. The shallow part is of course difficult for him. What I do notice is that he sometimes floats in the water. It seems like he is too light. Maybe this is something to try. 1 kg weight added. Okay, well that's not going to work. Let's fine-tune the device further via the app and tell it how my pool is. Okay, let's try it again. And we'll swim along a bit. Well, I wonder what's in the filter. Wow, it's really a lot of filth. Let's rinse the filter clean. Okay, well I have to stop because they want to swim again. I am very satisfied. My pool is of course very special for the machine, but it has sucked up a lot. I want to thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and interesting videos. Bye bye.